In this video, I'll explain the purposes of the two regions of the Paste Wizard dialog. The paste grid at top is for pasting columns of data directly into the paste grid. The bottom portion contains the tools to break down tab-separated data, or TSD, organize it, and feed it into the paste grid. The previous video covered pasting columns directly into the grid, so let's explore the TSD tools area. At left is the clipboard fields box with its refresh button directly above it. In the center are the field assignment controls and the Add to Paste Grid button. Tab-separated data is basically columns of text separated by tabs that is created by copying a region in a spreadsheet. So let's open up a spreadsheet and copy some data. There. Notice the clipboard fields box breaks down the first line copied from the spreadsheet into its columns. Now we just select each line in the box and assign it to a field in the paste grid. Then add it to the paste grid. That's pretty easy. Now, in the top of the Paste Wizard, click Paste, and the items are added to the bill of materials, and because they included a shortcut code, they are priced out according to the current pricing settings.